Hello, hello. Today's video, we are going to have some fun with candy mode on our Harvest Right freeze dryer. Here on my YouTube channel, DIY Freeze Dry, I show all kinds of things that you can do in your freeze dryer. I do foods, fruits, vegetables, meals, candy, all of the things. And today there is something that we are going to freeze dry that my kids have been begging me to buy them at the store every time I see them. So I'm going to take you guys to Walmart with me, show you what we're going to put in our freeze dryer today, and I will meet you back right here to get going. Okay, so my kids have been begging for this little sweet treat that they keep seeing at Walmart, and I told them I would buy that for them if we freeze dried it. So we are on the hunt today for that special treat.
Got me to tell it?
It's gotta be a surprise.
No, Mom wants to tell it.
Okay, tell it.
It's in a packet of marshmallows already roasted.
Stuffed marshmallows. Let's go see if we can find them. It's a super windy day today. You can't tell from my hair, but here's our Alaskan. Beautiful Walmart. We found the marshmallows.
Mom, will we buy this one?
Look how lucky we are. They're on clearance.
Yeah.
So let's get some different ones. You want the sprinkle ones?
Let's get this one.
Okay.
Wait, this one's
Cookies
already
and cream?
open. This one's open.
Okay, find one that's not open. We gotta get the cinnamon toast crunch ones too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we figured out why they're on clearance. They're kind of hard, but since we're freeze drying them anyway, we think that's gonna be fine, right?
Yeah. I think so.
So we're gonna try these three and then one of these. Let's do salted caramel. I think Bria would like the salted caramel. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
We already tasted both of these.
Yep. Oh, popcorn marshmallows? That's kind of cool. All right, Wessie, go ahead and scan.
Okay, so where is it up here? Tricky! Where is it?
On the bottom. On the bottom. On the bottom. Right here. All right. Give me a thumbs up. All right, Wesley was a very good helper today.
Look over there, there's a trap.
Let's get home and get freeze dried.
Look at this over there.
A fun one.
Look at the nice one.
We have freeze dried marshmallows before and they turn out just crunchy, airy, melt in your mouth, delicious. It's my husband's favorite freeze dried candy that we have done are the marshmallows. So we wanted to have some fun with some new jazzy marshmallows. So we got the cinnamon toast crunch stuffed marshmallow. We got cookies and cream, birthday cake, and just plain salted caramel stuffed marshmallows. As I said before, when we were at Walmart, these were all on clearance, which I was stoked about, but I realized it's because they're kind of hard. I don't think it's gonna matter because in the freeze dryer, they get hard anyway. So we're just gonna have some fun and see how this turns out. Today, I am going to freeze dry in our tray lids from Harvest Right. I ordered these snap-on tray lids for my medium-sized freeze dryer trays. And upon opening the packaging, it said these can also be used as an extra set of trays. And I've noticed they work so good for candy because this is like a plasticky silicone, not silicone, I don't know, plastic. And they don't stick to these trays and they work great. So we are gonna show you how to use these as a freeze dryer tray. If you are interested in buying these for yourself, there is a link in my video description below to Harvest Right where you can shop for accessories like this, freeze dryers, all of the things. I am just going to open these up and get them on our trays. And we will get the freeze dryer turned on also, and I will show you the settings we're gonna use for candy mode. So when you come to your freeze dryer, we're gonna go into customize. You can ignore the top two freeze settings because when we do candy mode, it just skips that step. We are going to go to 145. I turned that to normal. My dry time, I'm gonna put as 5 hours and I'm gonna hit save And you'll see high temperature mode here. You're gonna hit start, wait your cool down process. These will probably be done sooner than 5 hours, but I am gonna be gone with my kiddos at gymnastics today and won't be able to get back to these until about 5 hours from now. So that's why I'm choosing 5 hours, but you probably are good with like 3 or 4 hours for marshmallows in candy mode. So let's get these on the trays. I don't think I pointed out my Alaskan shirt that I am rocking today. Cute black bear with baby cubs, obsessed. We have seen a few black bears here in our neighborhood. We had one in our front yard when we first moved here a year ago that was eating our neighbor's trash. You gotta keep your trash locked up in a garage or something because they call these bears trash bears, the ones that roam the neighborhoods, especially on trash day, looking for trash to eat your food. So it can be dangerous if you got kids around and bears coming out for your trash. So we keep our trash in our garage. Our neighbors after that incident got a bear-proof trash lid. Those don't always work, but it's helped. We haven't had a bear in the yard since then, which that's a good thing. But it's still fun to see the wildlife here in Alaska. We are almost ready to load up our freeze dryer. Tune in to our taste test because we are going to take you to a beautiful scenic location to do our taste test. I thought that would be fun to take some treats out on a little adventure with the kiddos today. So be sure to stay tuned for that. You can see some of the gorgeous state that we live in here. Okay, we are ready to load this up. First, you got to close the drain valve. And there's a little toggle button that says candy process off. You want to switch that to on. It'll turn green. That's how you know you are going to be running in candy mode. Don't forget that step. I am going to skip warming the trays and just go straight into the drying process. When you warm the trays, I usually do that for like my hard candies, but soft candies and things that have chocolate on them, you don't need to really do it because it's just gonna make it more gooey faster. So I don't know, I'm kind of experimenting with this. I'm a little worried at how big these marshmallows are now that they're in here. I hope they're gonna be fine. Oh my gosh, they're already puffing up before our eyes. Look at that! Ah! What I was trying to say is I hope they don't explode in there. Oh my goodness. My video after this one might be how to clean your freeze dryer. Okay, wow. Well, this is kind of crazy, but I will check back at the end of the freeze drying process and see how these turned out. I'm just crossing my fingers they don't get any bigger than this so that we don't have massive explosions in the freeze dryer. Ah! See you in a few. I am back and ready to get our marshmallows out of the freeze dryer. Luckily, they stayed contained at this size and I cannot wait to try these. I am just, since I'm done, gonna hit cancel. And we just need to open the drain valve over here. And we'll get these out. These turned out so fun. They are just like so big. And I don't think they didn't make too big of a mess in the freeze dryer, luckily. I am just going to bag these up and we are gonna go do our taste test. And we're gonna go find some beautiful scenery to do our taste test in. So let's go do that now. So we drove up to pretty much as high as you can on the mountain near our home. It's a bit of an overcast day, but way out there is Eagle River Valley and it's just so pretty. When the clouds aren't there, you can see the tops of the mountains. But what do you kids say we do a taste test?
Yeah!
You can see the river down there.
Wait, that's a good place for motorcycles.
And then out this way between the trees you can see the water, but I think it's just too hard to pick up on this camera. But let's get to taste testing, shall we? We're ready for the freeze-dried one. We're first gonna go for the sprinkles.
Mmm.
Mmm. There's like a piece of cake in the middle. And the middle is still, the cake part is still soft.
A 10 out of a 10. Yep.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, let's try another. Now we got cinnamon toast crunch. Little turd. Mmm. I like this one. Cinnamony. The filling inside of this one is so good.
Oh. It's a catnip.
Eat it.
Oh, come on.
This one's good too. The cream filling is there, and the cream filling is still soft, like caramel filled.
Caramel filled.
Like a little surprise in there, huh? Yum. I'm kind of obsessed with these. I'm sorry if I've got food in my teeth. These were so good. It's so much better than I expected them to be. Because like I said, in the package they feel kind of hard and ucky, but once they're freeze dried, the marshmallow part becomes crunchy, melts in your mouth, is just so fun. And then you get that filling of the like soft creaminess, and that was over the top. You have to try these. If you do, please let me know in the comments and let me know how you liked them. I definitely recommend doing this. This was so fun. Well, thanks for watching this fun marshmallow video. This was such a blast to do. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. It's a great way to be able to see all of the fun things that I freeze dry here. We throw in a little bit of our life here in Alaska along with our channel, so hopefully you're enjoying that. Let me know, and I'm happy to show more fun things with you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!
Yeah!